people, how you guys doing? My name is Marvis and I'm just here briefly to share you a very good news. I know as the title might seem, as the caption and the thumbnails, you already know what this video is all about. Yes, I just picked up my phone and did the impromptu video just because I'm so happy. I don't even know if I can actually settle down to actually do a proper video. So I'm just gonna do this and you have to maybe I'm gonna drop like a proper video later on, but this one is just to appreciate every single person that have been supporting my channel over the years. Like, I could never have taken this for granted. This past few months has been really awesome. The engagement has been awesome and I appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys for supporting my channel, for watching my videos, for sharing my videos, for watching my playlist. Like, you guys just keep it all rolling for me over the past few months. Thank you so much. Like, this is like, I'm very happy, extremely happy, just waking up. I'm gonna give you guys step on how my monetization process went. It was really very straightforward. I wouldn't have believed that I would be this fast to be reviewed and actually monetized. It was really very straightforward, and the process was, I'm gonna drop step-by-step process on how it was done. And but the most interesting part of it is the fatness at which it came. It was so fast. I wasn't expecting it. I just woke up on my mail. I just felt like I had mails, so I just go through my mails on a normal day. Then I saw YouTube mail, like, congratulations, you've been like honestly, I'm so happy. I've been monetized. My channel is now up for monetization. But please, guys, this is the time I need you guys the most. Apart now we'll be monetized, but please, now you guys supported me till this point. This is the time you need to show me that support even more than what you have been doing so far. So all my hearts, don't skip any of my hearts this period though. Don't skip any of my hearts. Just make sure you watch all my hearts. That's, now you just have to support your girl to the core. Like, yes. So guys, this is just a brief video to appreciate every single person, to show you that I'm very grateful. I love all you guys. I love all your support. I appreciate all your support, all your pushed and the encouragement so far. This past few weeks has been down for me, but I've been trying to come up back, and this is like the best boost to come up back. This is like the best way to end the month. After I actually achieved one of my goals for this month, and which is to get my channel monetized, and it happened so fast, like what? It got monetized in one day. You guys wouldn't believe it. It's just in one day my application was submitted, and the next day I woke up to my channel being monetized. Like, it's so awesome. Like, so awesome. The feeling is so amazing. I can't just even actually, I don't even know how I'm feeling right now. I'm very uneasy. I'm just like, ooh, my head is just swimming. Ooh. But I said I was going to share this news with you guys first, and this is me saying thank you for everybody that watched my videos, to all my people that watch my playlist. You guys are the real MVP. You guys made this happen so fast than I expected, and this is me saying that you guys should keep supporting your girl. There's still going to be new content coming up. I know I've been the past few weeks I've been slow on content, but now my energy is gingered now. Yeah, you understand? Like, I will bring more content. I'll bring more videos. Both the male, the female, everybody is part of the family, and the family is bigger now. So you guys need to make sure you share my videos out there so that more people can come to the family, to get into the channel, so people can subscribe to my channel. And at the same time, I'm also open for advertisement, project reviews, promotion on any time. I'm very much open now. I can do all of that on my channel. So I'm going to drop in the description box every link you can to access me if you have anything for me in terms of production, advertisements, productions, product review. My email is open for you guys. You guys can send your mails, and I will make sure that I get all those things done. And apart from that, I'm open to collaborations. Anybody that want to collaborate with Marvispicy Empire, I'm open to all that. I have so many so many things line up this period. I had so many things line up. So I have special codes for beauty makeup products. If you want to buy Yanga Beauty, Nigerian brand makeup products, Yanga Beauty from Zaron, also I have special codes that can give you the amazing discounts. So you can just check my description box for all of this. Trust me, you will be making a right deal when you use this codes to shop for your amazing makeup product or beauty product. Another last thing, again, I also have like agricultural investment plan. For those of you that don't know, I'm into agricultural investment. I have agricultural investment plan for everybody that wants to invest, that want to make good use of their money, that want to put their money to good use. I have that in my portfolio. Also, you can also contact me by DM. Check all my Instagram, my social media handles. I'll leave everything on my description box, so you can check and get in contact with me for every information about agricultural investment plan, beauty and makeup products and sales. I'm very much available for all advertisements, products reviews and promotion. I'm also very available. So I'm going to stop end this video very soon. I don't want it to be so lengthy because I'm just blabbling at this point, but seriously, I'm so happy. I'm so really happy. But this is the time you guys need to always always support your girl. Don't leave me hanging this period. I need all the support I can get right now. I'm going to be giving shout out to a lot of people. Big shout out to Opeyemi. You did amazing well for me. I wouldn't have done this without you. You went all out for me, trying to make sure that my videos are watched, my videos are shared on all platforms. Opeyemi, I'm so grateful. Timi, I'm also very grateful. Timi Agbaje, you guys should check out his channel. It's Timi Agbaje. He's so amazing. He did so well for me. Judy Fortune, you did so well for me too. I'm so grateful for you. And V Matt, I'm so grateful to you too. You did so well. You all made this happen for me so fast. Thank you so much to everyone, to small YouTubers coming up and trying to that are looking up to this. I hope that you guys achieve this as soon as possible, and I pray that you guys keep bringing out good content, and we'll get to where we want to be, and you get to your destination sooner than you expected. So this is me saying thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I don't even know how I'm feeling right now. I'm over the I want to jump, I want to scream, I want to do all this just to show that I'm so happy for this moment. I've been looking up to this moment for a long time, and I achieved it. But in my next couple of videos, I'm going to be I'll be sharing my experience with YouTube and how far I've come from with YouTube, and also I'm going to be sharing step-by-step process on how I was able to monetize my page in one day. So look out for my upcoming videos on that. I'm going to share my experience with you as it happened to me. I will share it with you guys, and I hope it's going to help one or two people out there on how to monetize their own channel also. So till I see you in my next video, remember, what is good, or what is worth doing is worth doing well. So keep striving, keep pushing for greatness in whatever place you find yourself. Keep pushing for greatness, and when you set up a goal for yourself, trust me, if you put in hard work, you will achieve it on time. So this is me signing out now. Take care and have fun. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and I will catch you in my next video. Love you guys.